Reason number 6 as to why you should have a website right now is because it sets you apart as an expert. Now, you're a coach, a consultant, a professional service provider. I can pretty much guarantee you that there are a lot of people out there that do exactly what you do. I'm not saying that they do it in the same way that you do it. I'm not saying that you're not different in any way, not at all. Now, if you have a website, and again, you curate that experience for your potential clients, you are not only setting yourself apart as an expert, but you're building that relationship with your client that is going to make it so that when they're looking for somebody to help them with their problem, they're gonna think of you instead of the hundreds of other people that are out there that do exactly what you do, because you've already set yourself up as an expert and you've focused on building that connection with them. And reason number 7 goes along with the one that we just talked about. It builds trust and credibility. If you are not building these things in this world now, where it's all about the internet, social media is everything. If you're not building trust and credibility, it's not gonna be sustainable. You can be the best at what you do and have years and years of experience, but if you're not building these 2 things, it's not going to last. Reason number 8 is that having a website forces you to hone in on your message. So it's very easy as coaches and consultants to say, I do this and I help with this and I help this person and I also help that type of person and this group of people and I want to do everything for everybody. But having a website forces you to hone in on your message so that when somebody lands on your website, a potential client lands there, they know exactly what you do. Reason number 9 is one of my absolute favorites. You should have a website ASAP because it is a 24/7 marketing tool for you. If you meet somebody, if somebody comes across your work online and they decide to visit your website at 2 a.m. in the morning when you and everybody else is sleeping, they can do that. They can still visit your website and learn about you and learn about your services and learn about how you can help them. They don't have to wait to see you, to meet you one-on-one. They don't have to wait for your business hours, for your business to open according to your business hours. Literally, your website can work for you 24/7. Whether you're running ads or not, when people land on your website, it's there. You've already created the experience for them and they can do as they please and research and learn about you. And this is so, so powerful because your personal brand, your business, it's all working for you, even if you're not there. And reason number 10 as to why you need a website ASAP is because you have control over your website. You get to decide what goes on there. You get to decide what you post and what you don't post. Like I said, I am definitely all for Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and all the things. But the truth is, you do not own those platforms, regardless of how great we are in our craft or business. At any given time, any of the rules of the game on social media could change. And we lose that one-on-one interaction that we can have now with our clients. But if you have a website and you're building your email newsletter, you are already crafting a different experience, a one-on-one experience with your clients, with your potential clients. So owning your platform is a huge, huge deal considering how fast, how quickly things change in the online world today. So there you have it, 10 reasons as to why you need a website ASAP. And this is especially important for you if you are a coach, a consultant, or a professional service provider. Now, if you are in the process of trying to figure out what to do for your website, or if you've never thought about this before and now you're like, after watching this video, you're like, okay, sign me up, I need a website stat. Then I would love to chat with you. Either send me a message or visit themerakicollective.com and you can sign up for free training as to why personal branding is so important, how you can showcase that on your own website. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time.